Let's have a look at the Pulsar Go Series Wax Smoker, a dual-purpose unit that lights up your wax and dry herb in no time. Inside the box, you'll find one wax smoker unit, one glass mouthpiece, one herb replaceable atomizer, one wax replaceable atomizer, one micro USB charging cable, one cleaning brush, one wax tool, and one silicone container. The first thing you'll want to do with the unit is charge it fully with the included micro USB cable. This should take about 90 minutes to do. Once you're fully charged, you'll want to sterilize the atomizers before getting started with your unit. To do this, start by removing the glass mouthpiece and protective collar and dropping in the empty dry herb atomizer. Replace the collar and mouthpiece and then press the power button 5 times quickly to turn it on. From here, you're going to want to pulse the button to heat up the atomizer for a few minutes. Repeat this process with the wax atomizer as well to complete the sterilization. This will get rid of any of the manufacturing oils which may have gotten inside of the unit as a result of putting it together. Once you've done this, you're ready to load your unit with freshly ground botanical. To grind up your botanical, we always recommend using the Zeus bolt grinder. The bolt grinder's been calibrated to grind up your botanical to the perfect consistency for vaporization. That just means it's fine enough to be properly vaporized inside of your unit, but not so fine that it's going to clog up your mouthpiece. To load your unit with dry herb, pull off the glass mouthpiece and unscrew the protective collar. Using your Zeus scoop, load freshly ground botanical into the dry herb atomizer and pack it down with your wax tool so that it's snug but not too tight. Drop your atomizer into the unit and replace the protective collar. Then replace the mouthpiece and you are ready to smoke. To load your unit with concentrate, use your wax tool to place a small amount of concentrate directly onto the coils. Drop in the tank, replace the collar and mouthpiece, and you are all set to go. The Pulsar Go Series Wax Smoker has no temperature control to speak of. Once turned on, the unit heats up to an initial temperature of 500 degrees Celsius and will increase to up to 600 degrees Celsius with continuous use. To wrap things up, let's talk about some of the key features of the Pulsar Go Series Wax Smoker, which make it such a notable unit. The first is the wax smoker's compatibility with both concentrates and dry herb. This flexibility allows you to tackle both formats in one compact unit. The second is the glass mouthpiece, which works to cool down the smoke and preserve a bit of the flavor in the process. At these temperatures, even heat-resistant plastic mouthpieces would simply not fit the bill. And the third is the compact size of the wax smoker. This brings the user multiple benefits in terms of portability, discreetness, and convenience. The Pulsar Go Series Wax Smoker is a good choice for those seeking a compact, high-value device that offers satisfying hits every time. I'm Mike for TVape TV. We hope you enjoyed this video, and for all you connoisseurs out there, keep vaping.